And we're back. So here it is. Chinese schools are using smart uniforms to track their students' locations. Chinese schools are now tracking the exact location of their students using chipped-equipped smart uniforms in order to encourage better attendance rates, according to the report from the state-run newspaper, the Global Times, via the Telegraph. I thought it said implication. It's just as unsettling as using smart technology to track students' whereabouts sounds. Each uniform has two chips, the shoulder which are used to track when and where the student enters or exits the school, with an added dose of facial recognition software at the entrances to make sure that the right student is wearing the right outfit. So you can't just have your friend say, wear an extra shirt while you go off to school, or while you go off and play hooky. Try to leave during school hours, an alarm will go off. The uniforms are washable, too, despite the smart tech, according to the technology company, which develops the smart uniforms. Each outfit can endure up to 150 degrees Celsius, 302 degrees Fahrenheit, and 500 washes. Remember, this is private schools, so you get a new one every year or so. So, let's see. There are additional features too, according to the report from the whatever. The chip can apparently detect when a student has fallen asleep in class and allow students to make payments using additional facial and fingerprint recognition to confirm the purchase. The uniforms are being used in 10 schools in China and apparently have been in use for some time. Let's see. Over 800 students in his school have been wearing the smart uniform since 2016. And while the uniforms are meant to encourage attendance, it seems that there's nothing stopping administrators from using them to track students out of school. At least can't say it. Speaking, which is certainly concerning, although according to the person, Lynn, we chose not to track accurate locations of students after school. Wow. It's a little concerning. Very concerning. What, there's a Black Mirror game that's already out? Oh, it's through an emulator. But wanted to bring that to y'all's attention. Like I said, I was watching Wham Show. And this one is from a different, like I was trying to look for that, but I couldn't find it. But it's nuts. Smart uniforms. They'll be able to wake you up. Setting a alarm when you fall asleep. It's nuts. So it has biotech on it. Crazy. Alright, you'll have a good rest of the weekend. It's a weekend, right? Yeah. Have a good rest of the weekend. Peace. Stay positive.